Okay, let's do this. So today I've been researching some things and I placed some trades and well, it's a research, right? R&D, and I put on some trades and I took them off and and whatever. But I will show you something that I saw today. So the theme is pretty much volume plus price direction equals very good. Let's go on FX. Today we had news. Yeah, it's a bit up. Yeah, see the scribbles. I put them there, right? Okay. Now this is an H1 level, whatever. This is US session, and here exactly at this time news show up, and so we can remove these because, well, I put them there before, whatever. A lot of cool things. So news show up and later price moves down, confirming for me, right, that down is the direction. And so on this particular chart, on this instrument, there's not any power in the leg, but direction is down and we go up. And so if we want to enter short, it is pending below this because harami. So pending below the formation. Let's do it like this and maybe stop beyond the highs, right? So, and target would be on 60. It's very small, right? Would be here. That's a cool 3 point whatever. It went all the way to the next level. I had some notifications there. I mean, I wouldn't trail it there, but I mean, that looks cool with the 7R. That's my trade, right? What I had on, back on M5. So the point I want to illustrate here is volume and liquidity equals power, and volume plus direction in price is very good. So there's one short, I think M1, it was M1, yeah, I was looking at M1, very clear, like even better than this, right? And so here's the news candle, this white box. And so we recently switched the power to down, and the market here is going to start trading. And we got the first news, boom, rejecting this level, the only gap we have, mind you. And with a nice black bar down, going down, going down. And I'm like, wow, I want to short this. So instantly putting a short here somewhere. And that would be even better. I think it was something like this, right? And maybe stop here. It's even more crazy. And still, the target was, yeah, target was there. So that's cool for a 3. Let me show you the similar, yeah, there was another thing there. We can clean this up later. And so I had, yeah, so euro. Okay, also you see the level, I've been toying with this as well today. So let's go on M5, I think it's easier to find it. Yeah, similar, you see, I draw some boxes because I was here, etc. Let's remove this. Actually go on M1, maybe we can just keep, I just removed some of it. Yeah, so now you see, right? We've been moving down, we changed to up, and zigzagging up, and look at this. What's this? Pulse up, double, switch down. Okay, power's down, right? Here's the news showing up. What is the news doing? Adding more power to this direction. If direction is down and we add news and it holds, it goes above, and it, for whatever reason, does not close above, doesn't want to go above. What do you think is going to happen? It's like somebody super strong just decided to knock a baseball away or whatever, and yeah, a lot of power. So yeah, basically rejecting. This is confirming the direction, right? And so short like here or something, or whatever, short here or whatever with the yeah, whatever short in this general direction. So let's say a very poor idea, just short just in general, right here. Personally, I had a short on this. I just shorted it just straight out the box here. But let's say we shorted after this nice black bar closes beyond, even with more confirmation, right? And let's say the stop was here. I had my stop over here. But let's say stop is here because, yeah, whatever. So target would be, because I'm a bit, okay, never mind that, some old levels. I'm a bit restricted on this particular web platform, but so the previous level, that's interesting actually. Why is there no, oh right, I'm not seeing it on H1. Let's go, let's see, yeah. So I was not targeting these, I was targeting this thing, I think. I would have to check. It's not a big R trade, but look at so much power it has. I mean, it just basically just goes through everything so much. And I had a notification, an old one over here, and I looked at it on my screen and thinking, how many R is that? Like, that would be absolutely crazy, and it would be, yeah, right. So if we, for example, use the M5 for this trade with a similar philosophy, meaning direction plus volume equals good. Stop would be here. Okay, we just remove this. Yeah. So we have this kind of going up, rejecting high. Okay, a lot of volume is added here. Okay, cool. We don't want to close higher. And so we have this wave pattern, and now here we close lower. Great. Okay. So M5, very simple. And at this time, about an hour later after news, we got this formation here. Quite high, close to block, and yeah, so we could, I mean, I could short here, we could short here, but you know, let's say close to block. If this is the power where the power was, I encompass white and black, right? And you see that the formation is touching. Okay, as I normally do. Also, there's a gap here, right? So maybe actually touching the gap, right? Okay, whatever. So let's say this is the power area. Okay, so let's say this is the short signal. All right, so similar pending short, and let's say we encompass this. I of course did it like this, but yeah, that's more I'm still contemplating, but really the logic is because this was defeated all the way, the highest close is here, so I can sometimes I just do go like this, you know, really, because this is the highest close, and we really clean this up. I could, or in my mind I just go, we cleaned this level, there's nothing else there, and we cleaned it, now we go to the other side, right? Pretty much. So anyway, let's go with this simple example. Stop would be there, and so this is the signal, and we entered, and yeah, so we need a target. Let's go on 15 to find it, and I mean, so at that time, this time, we have this similar level, so I wouldn't target this. Also, the R is too low, so I would be looking for the next signal, which is, well, I guess this one, right? Next level. So nice +2, right? And not much more to it than that. Really cool, huh? Really cool. So that was EU example, and then we have the yen. Similar, guess what? Similar story example, right? Let's go on M5. Did I go? Yeah, okay. Yeah, and so, yeah, okay, never mind that. So we had some small reactions here, and then later news come. This is the news candle, right? And look at the price here. I mean, it's a bit not easy to see, but really, if we look into details, right, you see it moving up, down, and we close higher. So we change direction to long, and the power comes here. We go beyond, good, and we clean it, and so we stay here. We do not want to go lower. So the direction is confirmed in my book, right? And yeah, here I wanted to put the long, I think I put this long on and I removed it on the 1-2 pips. But yeah, so I put it on like this because the close. But yeah, similar story, right? Let's go like this. So we had strength from here and really, I think we changed here to long side. And before we had this and this, and here also confirming long side again, right? So, and let's go on 60 to find a TP. Yeah, so it would be here, and let's go on 15 to see the sessions, right? Why can't I not? Did I remove it? Let's try again. Okay. Maybe we need to make it bigger, right? Just wanna see. That's funny. I'm just gonna find the target area, right? So if this is entered here somewhere, the target would be, well, this is too close. It would be here. So this would be a target. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna go, yeah, M15 level. Go 5. Oh yeah, it's too close. Yeah, so not really good RR, so probably I would just do a measured move and something like this, because distance of this added to the top, and well, so I don't know, something like this. Not the greatest R this way, but remember I put on the trade like this. It's way better, right? But it's funny, like, so this morning how the price just didn't want to do anything really, and then the news comes, energy comes, power, whatever you want. I say we clean it. You can probably you call it whatever you want, but so I say we clean this level and we confirm the direction. That's my language, but yeah, you probably use other terms. It's completely fine, but so you see my logic here. And yeah, there was some other things going on over here. Yeah, so pretty much liquid volume is good and plus direction is good. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so if you like the video, and if you have questions, please post your questions because I want to see them.